Getting some more breaking news, the flight plan for repatriation of Indians has been accessed by Republic TV. The central government will launch a massive mission to repatriate Indians across the world. It is yesterday that the Union government set out a detailed plan to bring back Indians who continue to remain stranded abroad. Following the outbreak of COVID-19, Republic TV now has the details. Shantashri joining us with all those inputs. Shantashri.
It's a week-long plan of evacuation that will be taking place, that these repatriation flights will be sent to bring back Indians, and both the government, that is the Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Civil Aviation, have actually discussed this and have come out with this list, and it will be monitored by these these two ministries. And definitely what we can see over here is this, that they have shared a very detailed plan of the 7 days of evacuation that will take place in the week one. We believe that there will be 2,300 passengers who will be evacuated from countries like UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, United Kingdom, Singapore, Malaysia on day two as well, from the same places, including Malaysia and Oman and Kuwait. All these people will be evacuated. So this continues till day 7, and full passenger details with also the places of airport departure as well as airport arrival, and then they will be quarantined as well from there, and for 15 days in various quarantine centers, and only after that they will be allowed to return home. So we believe that this is the exact plan that has been discussed by Ministry of External Affairs and also Ministry of Civil Aviation. Today at 3 p.m. Hardeep Puri, the Minister of Civil Aviation, will be doing a press conference too via video conferencing, where he will be giving out further details that what else will be done by these two ministries to get these Indians who are stranded outside abroad in several countries like UAE, Kuwait and Philippines and Bangladesh will be brought back. So these are the details that have been released by both these ministries.
Oh yes, the Ministry of External Affairs has released the flight plan for return of Indian nationals stranded abroad. Shantashri was reading some of those details of week 1, 7 days in all. Flight details of all the 7 days has been laid out in this particular statement, which has been issued by the Ministry of External Affairs, as to from which country will the flights be taking off in the airport of arrival here in India. Thank you, Shantashri. We'll leave it at that.